Hi mates, today I'm gonna show you how to set a shortcut to change keyboard layout. As you know, the common shortcut is usually the shift and left out, but I'm gonna show you how to change it to control and let's say out, or control and shift. So watch this video all the way to the end and I'll show you how. So first, search here in Windows Searcher for settings like this, and click on devices here and click on typing. Scroll down to find advanced keyboard settings and then click on input language hotkeys, and yeah, from here you can make a shortcut to switch to, let's say, Bulgarian, to switch to English, United States, and you can make a shortcut as you can see my shortcut for to switch between input languages is left out and shift. If you want to change it, just click here, change key sequence, and from here you can change it, let's say control and shift, or left out and shift. But yeah, let's don't play with that. And yeah, from here you can change it. If I have to out, and yeah, just click OK and click apply, and that's it. If I helped you out, make sure to give it a like, and also if you have some problems, if you have some questions, you can comment down below the video in the comments and I'll try to respond in a few days. And yes, see you next video. Bye!